Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. Welcome to my kitchen. You want to blanch your vegetables keeping the color and the crunch? This is how you do. I've got some boiling water here to which I'll add say about half a teaspoon of salt, about quarter teaspoon of sugar. Put in the vegetables. Just a couple of minutes for this broccoli. After a couple of minutes, switch off the flame and keep a bowl of chilled water ready. Put all these vegetables in chilled water. What this does is it stops the cooking process and keeps the color and the crunch of the vegetables. Putting your blanched vegetables in a bowl of chilled water helps retain its color and crunch. I hope this tip was helpful. Come back again for some more tips.